Hello everyone, here we have a fractional problem in which we have to simplify this relation. There are many ways to solve this particular problem, but we will choose the method of rationalization. We will apply the rationalization on denominator. Let's move towards the solution. It is given that x square root x minus y square root y divided by arranging some terms y plus square root of xy. So we rationalize the denominator. We know that we just change the sign before the square root term and we multiply and divide it with this relation. So this is equal to x square root of x minus y square root of y divided by x plus y plus square root of xy multiplying and divided by x plus y minus square root of xy and dividing by the same terms x plus y minus square root of xy. So this will become as, first we multiply the numerator. This will become, when we will multiply this with this term, we will get x square root of x. Then multiplying the same with second, we will get plus xy square root of x. Then with the last we will get minus x square root of y. Then next term, this term will multiply by minus xy square root of y, then minus y square root of y, and minus plus y square under root x whole divided by, this will become as x plus y square minus xy square root whole square. Here we have applied in denominator we have applied the famous identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this identity we have applied in the denominator. So this implies that we just rearrange the numerator terms. It will be x square root of x plus xy square root of x and plus y square root of x. We have taken this term along with this term, as we have taken aside all those terms which having square root of x. Now we rearrange the terms having square root of y, that is minus x square root of y minus xy square root of y minus y square root of y, and this is divided by taking square of x plus y, we will get x square plus y square plus 2xy, and minus this square will be cancelled out with the square root, and we will get xy. So we will get, taking square root of x common from these three terms, we will get x square plus xy plus y square, and taking minus y square root common from these three terms, we will get x square plus xy plus y square, this whole divided by, we can arrange and take as x square plus 2xy minus xy is plus xy and plus y square. So taking since in the numerator x square plus xy plus y square is a common factor, so we will take it outside as, and this will give square root of x minus square root of y whole divided by x square plus y square, x square plus xy plus y square. We can see that this term will cancel out with this term, and we will get the simplified answer as square root of x minus square root of y. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.